Y'all tell me why I am in Smith's and I seen all of this clearance stuff, y'all. Look at this. Clearance stuff. I don't know what's going on, but y'all, clearance tags everywhere. Look at this. I cannot make this up, y'all. $4.80 for 240 dryer sheets. $3.60 for some 240 bounce dryer sheets. I got the last of those last night. And I'm back in here this morning, y'all. Look at this. Look at these prices, y'all. I cannot make this stuff up at all. Look, some of this stuff is dirt cheap, y'all. Fabric softener. They don't have the laundry detergent on clearance, but all the other stuff is on clearance, y'all. It is like ridiculous. Look at this big thing of Snuggle, $7.79. Some right here, Snuggle is gone. It was two something, but those is three. Those are two, and those are two right there. And then these are four, and one of the $7 downies I got last night, last of them gone. But I just had to show y'all this. Look at these prices, y'all. It is ridiculous in here. And I am about to tear some stuff up, y'all. Oh, and they got more clearance. Let's go down here and see what they got. So if you got a Smith's or a Kroger store or some of their sister stores, y'all better go in there and look and see what's going on. And look at this, how they got it hidden. Look, $2.07, y'all. I got some of those last night too. But when I get home, I will be showing y'all what I got and just having a good old time. So let me get off her so I can grab up some more of this clearance stuff while the store's open. Cause y'all, I came in here 6 in the morning, y'all, when they open. I'm up bright and early, ready to grab some items. So I will see y'all when I get home. Okay, y'all, I am back home. And before, I know y'all looking at this stuff like, what is this? We want to see clearance items. Okay, y'all are going to see clearance items, but I want to show y'all two deals real quick. One from Dollar General, one from Family Dollar that y'all can do. I wanted to squeeze these in real quick before we get into it. Okay, these coffees are lattes. I'm sorry, don't know the name. La Column B or something, y'all. But anyway, there is a coupon in the Family Dollar app where you can get two of these for 50 cents. I did the transaction twice. And if you like these, want to taste them, two of them will cost you 50 cents, 25 cents a piece. And they do have different flavors. I just chose the vanilla, but they have I forgot I think it's double shot. Then they have vanilla and mocha. And here is the receipt that you can look at where it shows I paid 50 cents. And they supposed to be two for $5. So I don't know if this is a glitch or if they intentionally did it. But the coupon will get you two of these for 50 cents. Okay, y'all. Now on to Family Dollar. If you want to get $20 in product for eight something dollars, then this is the deal for you. You can pick up two of the Glad Force Flex 15 count. They are like two something dollars when you use. I'm gonna show y'all the coupons. It's three coupons you want to clip, And then you go get 2 of these Force Flex garbage bags, and then 2 of the 100 count sandwich bags. And I know some kids take lunch to school. You may take lunch to work. These come in handy, and you can use them for other things as well. But sometimes stuff can get expensive, so that's where I come in at. But you want to grab 2 sandwich bags, 2 garbage bags. Put in these 3 coupons that I will be showing you. These 3 coupons right here. And then you will be paying $8.60, y'all. Yes, 20 some dollars in product for $8.60. Here is my receipt, and that will make each one of these items $2.15 each. So that is another little quick deal that you can do at Family Dollar. Now, the time has come. I am about to show y'all my clearance items. And look, y'all, all of that stuff back there is clearance stuff from Smith. So let's get into these clearance items. Okay, y'all. Her starting out is the dryer sheets that I got from Smith's that was on clearance. So take a look, and I had to stock up on dryer sheets because one thing I hate is buying dryer sheets because they never have just the right sale on dryer sheets. And I do put these in my bundles, so I hate buying them. So whenever I see them on clearance, I do snatch them up. But let's get into these prices. The Downy Light mega sheets, and it is 80 of them. They was $3.82. Then we have, okay, we got the Snuggle Spring Burst 70 sheets. They were $1.29. Then we have the Lavender Breeze 70 count sheets as well. They were $1.93, and either one of these you can submit to Ibotta, get 75 cents back. Then we have the Snuggle Blue Sparkle 80 sheets, $2.57, and they only had one of those. Then we have the Gain Moonlight Breeze, and it's 120 sheets. It was $3.57. The Bounce Refreshing Breeze 60 sheets was $1. And as you can see, I grabbed a nice little piece of those. Didn't clear the shelf, but got enough. Then the 240 sheets Fresh Linen Bounce was $3.60. And y'all all know these are $10 all day long in the store. But $3.60, you cannot beat that. And I was hoping some of these items had coupons in the Smiths app, but no, they didn't. But let's get on to the other clearance items. I forgot to tell y'all also the fabric sheets, the snuggle ones, I got points back on Fetch for those as well. So here's the other clearance items I had picked up. And I got 2 of those. Okay, the Snuggle Super Fresh is 140 ounces. It was $7.79. Then and I got back $1.25 on Ibotta plus a bonus. Then for the Lysol sanitizer, it was $2.07. The Downy Rinse and Refresh Ocean Mist, and it is the 48 ounce, $3.25, y'all. Yes, and we all know these is like $15 for the real big ones. It ain't the $12.99 bottle, I don't think. I think it's the next size up. But $3.25, and it was one more on the shelf in the very back. I tried to get a broom and everything to get it, could not even get it down, so I just left it up there. Then the Downy April Fresh and Cool Cotton up to 90 loads, and it is 66 ounces. They were $4.79, and these bottles will run you probably, I want to say, $6 to $7, because they like right up underneath the big size. These ain't the skinny downies that you get in Walgreens. These are like kind of the big ones. So two of those. Now, let's get into the other items. I only can fit so much up here. That's why I'm just breaking the stuff down, showing y'all little by little, but not trying to drag the video out, but can't get everything up here. So let's get into these next items. Okay, y'all, here are the other items I had got. Starting off with the Gain fabric softener, they have the original and the super fresh blast and the moonlight breeze. They are all $3.89, and they are the 44-ounce ones. Then we have the Downy Comfy Cozy beads. They were $2.25. Then we have the Gain Odor Defense Super Fresh Blast, and they are the 12.2 ounce. They were $5.17. Then we have the Fusions 2-in-1 Unstoppables. They were $3.74. Okay, y'all, I got three more things, and I'm going to just get them out of the bag now. I should have been to took them out because it's kind of hard holding the phone and then trying to take something. Okay, I got this. This was $7.79, and it is what is this? 111 ounces fabric softener. Then I had got one of these, and it was $2 and think 39 cents. And I didn't get too many of those because I already got a lot. But if they still have some left, I'm gonna get some more. And then I got this for $7.79. When at Target, I've been getting those for the smaller ones. Like this is the one I got from Target. It was $8.49, but this one was $7.79, and it's bigger from Smith's. So I feel like I got ripped off. That's why I said some stuff they put on clearance is just crazy. Cause this originally was $9.99 and it was $8.49 on clearance. So I didn't really save too much, probably like 30% or something. But I mean, it beats paying full price any day. But yeah, y'all, that is the stuff I got on clearance at Smith's. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you won't miss when I drop another video, because no telling what type of deals I'll be bumping into, and I'm always bumping into deals. So if you are watching and not subscribed, you are missing out. But if you want to subscribe, it is absolutely free, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.